In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the 3 different types of boards you can create in Monday.com. Understanding these board types is essential because they determine the permissions and access that people have, ensuring that your workflow is both efficient and secure. Let's dive into the first type, the main board. When you create a main board, it becomes accessible to everyone who is a team member within your account. This includes admins, members, and viewers, allowing anyone in your team to view and contribute to the board as needed. Main boards are ideal for projects or tasks that require transparency and collaboration from your entire team. They facilitate seamless communication and collaboration, allowing everyone to stay updated with the project's progress without needing specific invitations or permissions. Moving on to the second type, we have the private board. A private board is an excellent choice when you need to manage projects that require restricted access. These boards can only be seen by the person who created the board, along with specific team members they personally invite to join. This setup is perfect for handling sensitive information, managing confidential projects, or simply working within smaller teams that do not require full visibility to the entire organization. It also helps in maintaining focus among the team involved, as they receive only the updates that are relevant to them, without the distraction of broader organizational activities. Lastly, we have the shareable board. A shareable board is designed for situations where collaboration extends beyond your immediate team or company. If you work with clients, freelancers, or interns who need access to certain project boards, this is your go-to option. You can invite these external collaborators as guests within your account, granting them access only to specific shareable boards. This is a great way to ensure everyone involved in a project is kept in the loop, while keeping your internal operations protected and organized. Choosing the right type of board for your needs can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure that all parties involved have the proper level of access. This not only helps in maintaining the security of your information, but also promotes efficient collaboration across varying levels within and outside your organization. Whether you need an open, inclusive environment with main boards, a focused, private setting with private boards, or a collaborative, external-friendly approach with shareable boards, Monday.com is equipped to support and facilitate your workflows effectively. And that's all there is to it. By knowing these distinctions and applying them wisely, you'll be well on your way to mastering your workspace on Monday.com, enhancing both the internal dynamics of your team and your external partnerships. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you navigate your board options on Monday.com.